In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and contact ideal LinkedIn leads using ChatGPT. The goal here is to make your outreach more focused, more personal, and much more effective. Instead of sending random messages to random people, you're going to build a simple system that helps you identify the right people, organize your lead list, and create better outreach with the help of AI. Start by defining your ideal LinkedIn lead. This is one of the most important parts of the process because if you're unclear about who you want to reach, everything after that becomes less effective. Think about the type of person who would actually benefit from your offer, service, or solution. The clearer you are, the easier it will be to search, write messages, and get better responses. Next, list the job titles, industries, locations, and company types you want to target. For example, you might focus on decision makers, managers, founders, or specialists, depending on what you offer. You should also narrow things down by industry, geographic area, and whether you want to work with startups, small businesses, or larger companies. This gives your lead generation process structure and saves time later. Once that's clear, use ChatGPT to create lead search prompts. You can ask it to help you turn your target criteria into smart search phrases that are easier to use inside LinkedIn. This is especially useful if you want to test different combinations of titles, industries, or company types without manually brainstorming every variation yourself. Then use LinkedIn Search or Sales Navigator to find matching profiles. As you search, look for people who genuinely fit the profile you defined earlier. Take your time here. Accuracy matters more than speed because high quality leads are usually more valuable than a long list of weak matches. After that, save your leads into a spreadsheet or CRM. Keep it organized with useful details like profile links, company names, role information, and outreach status. A clean system helps you avoid duplicate work and makes follow-up much easier. Now ask ChatGPT to create personalized outreach messages. The key word here is personalized. You want messages that feel relevant and human, not robotic or overly sales focused. Give ChatGPT enough context so the message reflects the lead's role, company type, or likely needs. When you're ready, send messages in a natural and respectful way. Keep your tone professional, concise, and friendly. The goal is to start a conversation, not pressure someone into replying. Finally, track replies and improve your prompts based on results. Pay attention to what gets responses and what gets ignored. Over time, small adjustments to your targeting and messaging can lead to much better outcomes. That's how you turn a simple outreach process into a repeatable lead generation system.